Stink bugs like to sneak into homes in the fall to escape the cold. Here are a few tips to get rid of these smelly pests. 1. Seal entry points. Don't let stink bugs slip through the cracks. Seal any holes you find, especially near door or window frames and electrical outlets. 2. Reduce moisture. Stink bugs are attracted to moisture. Fix leaky pipes, keep your gutters clean, and reduce moisture buildup in your home. 3. Properly store food. These pests eat fruit and vegetables. Storing produce in the fridge will help to keep them away. 4. Swap your light bulbs. Bright lights can attract stink bugs. Swap white lights for yellow bulbs to minimize stink bug activity. 5. Create a protective barrier. Spraying your yard with a plant-based insecticide spray can help to deter stink bugs. Our yard bug spray kills pests on contact and provides residual repellency. 6. Vacuum and sweep. Crushing stink bugs will cause them to release an unpleasant odor. It's better to remove them with a vacuum or broom. Make sure to discard them in a sealed bag outside. 7. Use a plant-based insecticide spray. Our home bug spray kills and repels stink bugs. You can also spray your plants with our 3-in-1 garden spray to protect them from these hungry bugs. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.